Hello dear friends, if you have a Facebook account, you must enable this settings like a Facebook security case so that nobody able to access your account. Today I'll discuss in this video how to enable Facebook security case. So you must watch the video completely, must be like and share it to get such tips and tricks related videos. And if you watching it from YouTube, then you must subscribe to my channel. And if you watching from Facebook, then you must follow my Facebook page. So let's know how to enable Facebook security case. Now open your Facebook app and go to above, click on three line menu. Now click on settings menu. Now click on see more and account center. Now click on password and security. Now click on two-factor authentication. Now click on arrow button. Now scroll down and go to security case option. Click now security case option. Now click on register security key and connect your phone with a charger. Now click on this device and verify your phone now by fingerprint or face scan. So dear friends, you can to see here security case verified now and click on done. So dear friends, must be like and share it to get such tips and tricks related videos. And if you watching it from YouTube, then must to subscribe my channel. And if you watching from Facebook, then must to follow my Facebook page. Thanks for watching.